a modified gorilla row, same setup as the gorilla row, but as you noticed, I'm only working one arm the whole time, and I'm in this like supinated position, so underhand grip, and I'm not fully extending my arm. So unlike the regular gorilla row, where I row it, I set it back down, I straighten that arm, now I have tension on that lat and bicep the whole time. By not straightening and extending that arm, keeping it retracted, my lat is fully engaged the whole duration of that set. So we're going time under tension. You don't have to row a ton of weight. Even with like a 35-pound bell, I can get a solid pump in my lat as I'm doing this. Remember, don't fully extend or don't let it protract. Keep the shoulder back, slight bend, just keep tension on the lat. And the first time I did this move, my low lats were sore for like 3 days. I had crazy DOMs in my lat. Never felt that from any other move. So it's really good for that low lat connection where it kind of comes into that lower back. So instead of getting the upper back, it's really down here in the lat. Try and take out the rotation of the movement. Just build that mind muscle connection in that row pattern.